up guys, it's Kevin from K Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the chin above bar hold plus the negative pull-up. Alright guys, so key points of performance here as we get into another pull-up drill. You want to be strong in all different planes of motion. So we're starting again with the chin above the bar. Notice once I get on the bar, my toes are out front and I'm in a good strong hollow body position. So first position is here. Notice my ribs are pulled down, my glutes are tight, and my toes together. That's the exact same position as our hollow body on the floor. You want to create this shape as much as you can in everything that you do. The more you create that same dynamic, the stronger you're going to be in everything else that you do. So the way to strengthen your pull-ups too is, I like to always relate this to like dudes that want to get huge arms. You don't get bigger arms by cranking out a lot of reps. You crank them out by going slower on the way down. That's when the muscle actually gets stretched and that's when you get bigger. So to get stronger pull-ups, not only are we doing the chin above bar hold with the hollow body, but we're getting a good negative on the way down. Notice I land in front of the box because I want to train full range of motion strength, just like when you pull from at the bottom. So you're at the top, glutes are tight, ribs are down, control, that's your negative. Lock down arms, you can raise the box as high as you can. You might not be able to hold as long as the top, but just stick to whatever the time is for the workout. Do your dedicated time and you might go that fast. The stronger you get in that position, the faster you're gonna get to your pull-up. That's the chin above bar hold plus a negative pull-up. Get after it.